Fix YouTube Van's not working problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search bar and then search for YouTube over here. As you do that, make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see on the screen, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of YouTube application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on YouTube application, then tap on app info. It will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. So tap on it and then clear the cache and tap on OK. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure you have toggled on all the required options. Now as you do that, you can now just go and relaunch the YouTube application and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.